Alright, well, I have some interesting news I need to share. This is about the planned work that was supposed to originally be taking place for the N Train this weekend. The good news is, I can happily report that the service change that was supposed to happen tomorrow morning at 3:45 a.m. tomorrow morning, it has now been canceled. This is great news. I got this word officially from Matt Camper earlier this afternoon, and he forwarded me this notification. I got the same thing on my inbox, but this is great. And the only reason why I think they did this was because they realized, well, a lot of the Met fans probably trying to get over to, obviously, Citi Field, trying to get to 7 at Queensboro Plaza, and they weren't going to be happy campers, that's for sure. They couldn't get to 7 quicker to get to Citi Field for the Met game tomorrow against the Diamondbacks. So yeah, you're going to have regular train service tomorrow. This is great. If you're in Astoria, take advantage. But unfortunately, we still have the annoying station renovation project at 30th Avenue and, of course, on 36th Avenue. Wah, wah. So, I'm going to read the alternatives. Here are your alternatives. You can take the Q18 bus to and from the Northern Boulevard M&R train station in Woodside. You can take the 102 bus for service to and from the Broadway station. So Broadway, obviously that's next stop north will be 30th Avenue, of course. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to say this, you may have to end up taking the Broadway station or the 39th Avenue station. Now this is decent news for people who are coming from Astoria Boulevard. I get that, or Ditmars, but you do have other alternatives. Take the 102 bus from Broadway, the N&W station, Queens Plaza NW7, and Queens Plaza EM and R station. So, thankfully, the 102 bus will also help you because it does go along some of the stations along the NW tracks. You can also take the Q66 bus for Northern Boulevard. If you can't get to the Q66 in the area, I would recommend it. You can get to the M&R station on Northern Boulevard and Woodside, and of course 21st Street, Queensbridge, the F train in Long Island City. You can also believe you can get to the NW7 and EM and R stations at Queensboro Plaza. And this is interesting. Q69, Q100 limited buses. I don't know if Q100 limited runs on the weekend, but I'm pretty sure the 69 runs on the weekend. Are available along 21st Street for nearby service to and from 21st Street, Queensbridge, Queensboro Plaza, and Queens Plaza. So pretty much it's the same thing. And I apologize for the little glitch we just had, but unfortunately, we do not know when the 30th Avenue and 36th Avenue stations will be reopened. I don't know if this is going to be a fancy schmancy project for people in Astoria. Yet people in Astoria expect quality. You know, that's the thing. They expect it. And at this point, what other choice do you have? So, best thing to do, and I'll urge you all, please check the Weekender website. Please do, because it will help you a lot. In fact, if you go to the homepage of MTA.info, I'll just quickly MTA.info as an example right now. You can see that the first thing on MTA.info was the Weekender thing. So, thankfully you do have the weekender. Alright, so that's where I'm going to end it. I'll just recap it again. Once again, if you're in Astoria, you're trying to get to the Met game, or hey, you're even trying to get to Times Square to the AMC theater to see Deadpool 2 this weekend, good news, the service is not impacted this weekend. The planned service change that I said is canceled. So I, of course, have it on my Twitter feed at Andy's Randomness if you want to see that. But yeah, just wanted to get a video out on YouTube in case people can't check their Twitter feeds, of course, and I figured this would be the easiest way to get the information out there. So that's it. Have a good weekend. If you're going to be in Astoria, obviously you should be having a good weekend. And until next time, take care.